guys, welcome to the part of this tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be talking about how you can get a free paid hosting and domain name. So now let's get to it. So the website on which you are going to get our free domain name and hosting from is called profreehost.com. That was https www.profreehost.com. So pro as in professional, free as in anything free, then host as in like parasite and host, then .com after it. So can you say that this life is not really balanced? You can say that this is a .com. If you want to get a website for free from a and the owner, the seller is a .com. So you can see how life is. So you are paying $0 for life, as in like just for lifetime. Not be say today, but just expect all those amalakai, all those past kind of stuff. Just wake up in a day, your website is not loading, is all sort of problems that can come in. So I already rather an account with them. So if you want to create your account, just click on register now. Can you see a lot of things that come with this? That's come with this offer. You are getting a free domain name. To every advantage there is always a disadvantage, and to every solution there is always a problem, and to every problem there is always a solution. Just see this and see this to Mr. Word or Mr. Namecheap. Can you just imagine how this free subdomain is a control panel, website building, your free MySQL database. For the guru developer, they work on this, the badass developer, they do anything which they want to just get the best out of it. So now this is where you can get your free domain name and your free hosting. But I already have an account with them. So now let me log into my account. So now I've successfully logged into my account. Yeah, you successfully log into your account. So you are only permitted to just 3 accounts. So this my account is, the first one is bdsconcept.0.com. So there are different type of domain name extension which you can get for them. You can get .0.com, you can also get .unihas.com. So this is what we have. So the date in which I created, that was last year, that was 30th of December 2021. I actually created this on the 22nd of December 2021. You can see the details about it. So if I should click on manage, it's going to take me to my panel. So I'm managing this right now. So you can actually create a new account. I want to add another domain into this already made 2 domain. So it's just only one domain that I can add, no any other domain, just 3. You are only limited to 3 domain. So I click on create new account. Let me click on create new account. I want to add another. So since it's free, just be expecting all this kind of ads to your website on it. So just know your way in which you are going to navigate it. Now I can create a new website. So if you want to register, this is just the particular page is going to give you, it's going to bring up for you. So put in the name of the website you want. So blah 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 blah. So it's loading for the availability. Okay, this blah 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 dot is not available. So try it for a WordPress shadow. So now let's wait for it to load up if it's available. So you can choose your extension. Is either you want a live blog 365.com or a unihas or a 8.0. So now this is available. So you can click on it's a free domain. So if you want to customize it, you do not want the 0, that's mean you're going to pay. And you click on here, you are going to pay. So can you just see let me just show you something. Can you just see the best part about how Google track our life? I've been making some searches about how to buy a domain name. Now here is Mr. GoDaddy showing me the picture of his domain that is any domain. Here's also Mr. GoDaddy showing me a video. Here's also Mr. Hugo Host. Can you say, talking about business isn't that just easy? So now let's get back to what we came here for. So click on the free domain and you can, when you mark, you are going to create a new one. So now if you want to register it, so click on register now. If you want to register on profreehost.com, so you can see this is just the registration. choose a password, then click on it. You are going to get a captcha on requirement for you to know that you aren't a robot. So click on it, then register. Then after the registration page, you are going to get into the login page, so which is exactly here. So it is on the login page that you're going to create your new website. So here is how you can get a free domain name and a free hosting. So now let me log into my already made account. So I've logged in to it. There is my control panel. This is C panel. Here is where the works come in, the great deal of work coming. So let me open it in a new tab. So it's loading up. So it's going to redirect it to your C panel. So I'm having difficulty with my time, so you can when anything of this occur, this is just your clock is ahead or any other thing. But if that does not occur, there may be that this website is not secure. Always click on the advanced and you are going to see another link there. So on the link, just click on go. So we are going to say a go, which is indicate the domain name. Just click on it and it's going to direct you. And the reason why this is coming up like this is because first of the internet connection which I'm using, then second is because of that the website is not secure. Can you just see that this is telling you red? So just see this is just in the normal, it's already published, but here this is showing you Mr. Red. I mean, like, red means danger, red means stop. You just have to stop anywhere you are. So let me just try it again if it's not bringing it up. Sorry for that. Oh, sorry. So we're still logging into it again. So it has authenticated my login. So I'm clicking on the cPanel. Now it's going to redirect me. Now there should not be any problem. But if the problem do persist, I'm telling you that that's just where the problem can persist for. Where the problem can show up for is that your website is not connected or your time what it said. So now instead of this, let's take another method out. So this is how you can log into your Profreehost dashboard. So click on the login. So it's just only the registration page you are going to get a reCAPTCHA, but for the login I'm not going to get any type of reCAPTCHA. So I'm just trying to show you the C panel of my website, the control panel. So it has logged me in. Let me manage this. I'll just try to avoid the hearts, sorry. So just loading up. So if this doesn't load one more time, we are just going to make a retry of it. Do not try to open them in a new tab. Just be clicking whatever you want to click on the website. So it's just showing it as my clock. So I think I should set up my clock. So for you to set it up, just click on the update time. What it really wants you to do is just for you to just change the time zone. Instead of this part, you just change it to the exact place in which you are, which is the the West African time. So let's change through it. So we are at the +1, the West Central Africa. So let's click on it. Okay, it's actually changed here. So that's just the way others domain does. So now let's reload. You continue. So it's just loading up, still bringing out the same error. So I will log into my panel and show you back. So this is supposed not to be just because of my browser. Sorry for the delay and for the disappointment. So now we just completed a video on how you can get a free domain name and a free hosting from anytime. You just get the domain name, you are going to get a free hosting with it. So now let's go to the part 3 of this website. We've done the part 3 checking about the website availability. So now let's move to the part 4 talking about how to check a noble information about any type of website. So now the domain name, the website you're going to use is whois.com. Anyone that is online, I mean any domain name that is online, you can search for it. Now you can just see this is Whois. It's just a great domain name search engine, but now they are selling. I mean, they are selling domain name, they are creating websites, cloud, I mean hosting, server. So this is not really what they do before. So now let's just check in any type of website. So and let's click on the popular social media facebook.com. Who is Facebook? Who exactly is Facebook? For you to just get information about all these people telling you, we've been established in this all these sponsors scheme, we've been established in this so years, so you get every part of it. Can you see? We now this is the domain name. This is where they register it. This was just uploaded some hours ago. Let's click on it and let it upload now. So Facebook is a rich company. It uploaded everything in the right time. So now you can see it just uploaded 1 second ago. So here's the registrar. It has been registered since 29 of March 1997. So it's going to expire, the domain name is going to expire by 2031. As I do just feel it, 2031 and we are in 2022. That's just some, at least that's 9 months apart from now. Hey, sorry, that's 9 years apart from now. So that's what it's going to give you up. But they update it as at January 26th of this year. So here is the status. Here is their server. I mean, a good hacker working on this server. So that's what we have. So that's just their domain information. Going to this part, second part of it, where we have the registrar contacts, people who registered it. So the name that is registered, just give it any name, domain admin. So Meta Platform Incorporation, that's the organization that registered it. The street, everything you need to just know about, you need to know about the website. The administrative contact, if you want to contact the administrator, so here is their email, domain@fb.com. The phone number is also there, the physical addresses, then the technical contact. So here it is. Then if you want any other raw data, as like you can just read through the data. So here is it. So it is Whois talking about any type of website. Either it is host from Nigeria or it is host from anywhere. So far it is a domain name. So now let me share shop from my for a website in which I'm working on. Unicorn EU. So you can see what we have here. So it's showing all necessary information. So if you still want to buy the domain, you can buy it, but it's not the EU that is here that is included here. So now you can see the registrar, anything it has to give you. This is a website hosted by Yahoo Web Hosting. So now you can see how you can check noble information about websites. So now here is my, let me check up my website. Sorry, budotech.a0.com. So search it up. Who is this particular website? So here is it. The domain is register.a0.com. The registrar is above.com private limited. Is registered on March 2021. It's going to expire by 2023. So and it might not expire at that particular time. So we're just giving you that. But if it expires, you can still reload it up. So it is uploaded at this particular date. Update on 31st of March. So here is the server. Here is the register contact. So you see that it doesn't have a large list. This is a free host, so you don't just need to get anything. If you want to report the email, the abuse@above.com, so you are free to do that. So now let's just look for this above.com, that's the hosting form, or the a0.com, a0.com. Let's check who0.com. So you can see it's almost the same thing talking about S0. So now we've finished the first part about it. So now let me show you the website in which I create with Profreehost. Yeah, with free hosting and free domain name. So here is the website. So if you still click on it, it's going to refer you to the page. Initially you are going to see a blue icon, which that was a preloader. So we are going to be creating a particular website like this. You can see the home, you can see the pages that are in the menu in this header. So you clicking on this get started. So if you click on this get started here, it's going to take you to how you can fill in a form on Google. So if you click on this contact us, going to take you to my WhatsApp direct. Click on this get started. So now let's click on it. Let's open it in a new. So this is for the one. Continue to my chat. It's going to take you directly to my chat. So let's cancel that out. This is the Google form. If you click on the get started icon, so now these are the services that are embedded in it. So for you to create this particular website, this is a normal website in which you'll be creating. This is a prototype of the website we'll be creating. So you can see this particular plugin. It can really take you to my WhatsApp. This is the first message that is going to show up. Then after that, you can see the animation. So you can see how it is. You can see the theme. Yeah, this website is actually on a desktop responsive, not really mobile friendly. So you can see everything that you need to get about it. You can see the footer, visit link privacy, so anything you need to know about it. So that's what we have. Click on this Instagram, it take you to my Instagram page. Click on this link, take you to my LinkedIn page, Facebook also, Twitter also. It takes you over there. So now let's check if those pages are active. Those pages are active. So let's click on the blog page. So let's wait up for it to load. Here's the blog. You can see this particular icon loading. It is called preloader. Yeah. So this also too is another type of plugin known as WhatsApp. Yeah, you can see the animation. It has a plus animation. Just the way the art beats. So there's nothing much on this blog. So we already have one post, the WordPress post, hello world. So you can see the footer are active, every other thing are active about it. So let's go to this about us. Yeah. So we are going to be creating a similar website like this. See the preloader again. You can see this WhatsApp plugin also. This about us. Okay, we didn't have much on the about us. Let's click on the contact us. The page has not yet been imported. I'll design it and import it up. So here is the contact us page. Let's wait for this for it to load. You can see contact with us. Let's create progress together. Since you need to know about it, so you can see the over. It has a black over. So it's just know you're on this particular website. You see, it has a good UI, a good user interaction. So do not question Google. This is supposed to be a contact form. I just removed the plugin. I will input it back and put in. So here is the map that is integrated in it. So if you click on this, it's going to get you to my business on Google. You can see the exact thing. So you can actually see use it to fill another page in which you want to know. So you can see along that market, funeral supermarket, and some other thing. Same footer, same header, just the contents they are different. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification icon to get notified when the video are posted. Thanks and God bless. So in the next video we are going to be talking how we are going to create a website like this, how we are going to do some other feature. So thanks.